How would you like to make over $2,150 with the Freecash app and website? Stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you how I've earned over $2,150 just by using the Freecash app. I'm going to dive into a very quick overview of the site, where I'm also going to run through all the various different ways you can actually use it to earn money. So if you're looking to earn some extra cash online or even build into a full-time income online, make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. Yeah, hi, I'm Martin and I'm here and I make videos to help you actually make money online. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, so then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Today, like I say, we're looking at Freecash. So let's dive straight into it and show you exactly how I've earned over $2,150 so far. Okay, so here we are on the Freecash website, and like I said, there's loads of different bits and pieces in. I'm going to quickly go through and show you exactly what you can do to actually earn this money. And make sure you stay tuned to the very last one as well, because that is the important one of how you can actually increase your earnings. So various things you've obviously got to do. First of all, you got to sign up and obviously get a free account. Now, I'll leave a link in the description below here. By all means, use that. And that I'll also give you a secret bonus code. So if you use that secret bonus code once you've actually signed up, this is your first way of earning extra money, because this is going to give you a bonus of up to $250 just for signing up. Now, once you've done that, you can obviously come through to this platform here. And as you can see, there are various featured offers here. If we look at the different offers available, now some of these you can just literally have to sign up to a website and you will get paid. Some of them are games, some of them are apps, some of them is crypto, and some of them you do have to purchase as well. Look at what you're going to get paid for that, because sometimes you might have to purchase for $10 and you're going to get $25 just for doing that. It's a no-brainer. You're still actually going to make $15. And obviously there are other things here as well. So let's just quickly go and have a look at some of these items. Now, obviously games is probably one of the most popular ways to actually earn on Freecash. Now, if you've got obviously a mobile phone, and you can obviously download the app as well. This is the desktop view here, and as you can see here, there are plenty of different games giving you different amounts. So this one's $12, $6, $46 for this one. So if you click on the various different items, and it will tell you what you have to do. So it says here, obviously with this one, obviously it tells you a description. It tells you initial rewards once you've installed it is only 15 cents. But if you can get to level 17 and complete the puzzles and survive headquarters, you're going to get $46. Now, some people, by playing these games, can do this fairly quickly. If you're used to playing games and you enjoy playing games, then probably Freecash is going to be a great site for you. Now, if you're not into games, there's still plenty of other ways you can actually earn. Now, you can just literally just sign up for some of these different apps and websites. But they're not going to pay you as much. Obviously, you've got $10 here, but some of these are just total just cents. $1, $2 there, $8 there, so not as much. $26, so some of them are a little bit more, but not that much. And most of these you've literally just got to sign up for, so you don't have to play any games or anything like that. You can also do some free trials. So if you wanted to do a free trial, for argument's sake, of Prime Plus, that is still going to give you $2 just for taking the free trial. Now, another way you can obviously earn is by actually doing offers. There are various different offers on these sites here, and these are all legitimate sites that are going to give you offers that you can complete and get paid for it. And you've also got down here another way of earning, which is by taking surveys. Now, these offers and everything on Freecash will vary from country to country. So it could be that one country is really good, got lots of offers, and then another one hasn't got so many offers. So you will have to just check that out and make sure what is viable to you and what is best. And if you find Freecash is not as good in your country, then also check out the full playlist that I'll put above here that have obviously got loads of other survey sites and get paid to sites on that playlist, so make sure you check that out as well. But surveys again can be very lucrative. Once you've obviously started to get different cash out, you could then get positioned into the leaderboard. Okay, and they do a daily leaderboard, which means that they're going to give away $500 daily for people that are on the leaderboard. And they're also going to give out a monthly leaderboard, which you could actually earn up to $5,000. So as you can see here at the moment, the 50,000 coins, which equates to $500, is down to this. This guy has actually made 227,000 points just in today. But don't despair, because if you're not earning that much, this leaderboard does go down quite a way. In fact, you pay down right down 1,000 places. So you've only got to earn, look, 7,000 coins in one day to actually earn a bonus of 20 coins. So that is another great way that you can actually earn. Now there's also different other rewards here. Come in here, you've got the daily bonus ladder, which obviously stands at about $5 at the moment. You could get an extra $5 just by playing the daily ladder. I've got a video in my playlist all about the daily ladder, so make sure you check that out if you want to know more on that. I won't be going into that today. And you can also come in here and you can go on what they call a 7-day streak. So in other words, you come in and you earn so many points per day, and then at the end of it you could earn up to $50 in a bonus. And you could also get paid up to 30% commissions by referring friends. And this is what I've been doing more than anything, is I've obviously been referring people to Use Freecash, and then I'm going to get a percentage of what they actually use. This is called affiliate marketing. So it says here, and you can get, and it is the most rewarding affiliate system in the market is now live, earn up to 30% commissions. So this is on a scale that you can build up to as you go. So as you can see, there are different tiers. So you can get tier 1, which would be the first tier. You can earn 5% commissions. And that's if you haven't earned any affiliate earnings. Once you've earned $10, you're going to go up to tier 2, $25, tier 3. So it doesn't take long before you get to tier 5, and which is $100, and you're up to 9%. And then 10% when you reach $500. Very, very easy to actually get to 10% commissions. Now, as you can see here, I've reached 25% commissions here. So it's very, very easy to get definitely to the 10% commissions. You should be able to do that within the first couple of months if you're referring people in. But what this also means is if you've earned 10% commission and $500, then you've actually, your people you've referred in have actually earned $5,000. Okay, so that's how powerful it is, and that's how lucrative Freecash is. All you need to do is come across here, and you've got your referral link here, and you can just copy this, and then you can share with your friends. So you could share obviously through social media, share with friends. You could do YouTube videos and things like that that I do, and obviously then people will search those and sign up through my link. So if you was across to my mobile, and we'll show you just can prove that I'm actually earning this sort of money. If you come to my home account here, you click on there, click on profile. So total earnings is $2,175.82. So at the end of the day, if you're looking to actually start earning some extra cash, maybe you're looking to start a side hustle where if you obviously you could start an affiliate marketing business where you could get different sites like this and build them up so you would have more income coming in from various different sites all over the internet, which could give you a full-time monthly income. Freecash is definitely worth taking a look at. And if you've used Freecash, let me know in the comments how you've got on and what country you're in as well. So then we can see exactly what is the best countries. Obviously, I'm in the UK, and it is working and paying out really well in the UK. So let me know which country you're in or you're looking to join in the comments below. And if you've got any questions as well, put them in the comments as well, and I'll be only too pleased to help you. And also if you need help with Freecash at all or any ways to make money online, feel free to grab my affiliate profit formula, which is a free mini course where I go through exactly how to set up your own business, your own affiliate marketing business online, what you're going to need, and also it gives you a link to a free Facebook group community which I have, where you can come and you can ask any questions you like, and I'll be only too happy to help and guide you to make your first $1,000 online. I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. This will show you a payment proof that I took out recently from Freecash. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video.